Have you ever been sent to your room as a punishment? Go and clean your room. Have you done it to your children? Now we understand why kids don't like to clean their room. We understand why we don't like to clean around us, because it's connotated with an obligation rather than a privilege. Today I am going to talk to you about how to help yourself as well as your children to grow in love with cleanliness, to actually love cleaning. Why? Because you want to know yourself as a clean person. You see, you want to know how to clean yourself. You like to have a clean environment. In order for that to happen, you are the one that can do it and have that ability to direct your immediate surrounding. Yes, I know. That smell of the very strong chemicals really affects our brain, our amygdala, and makes us to fight or flight or just freeze, not doing anything, or have a fight with the husband or whoever lives in our home and say, you do it. Well, today we are looking at 3 ways to actually implement cleaning as an empowering activity, not victim activity. So we will leave this model above the line. How we will do this? First, when you talk to your child about cleaning, the empowering responsibility is by saying, you are the director of this room. As a director, you choose where to put your toys, where they live. Depends on the age of the child. Make appropriate task. Just take a little corner or take a drawer and help work that drawer and say, let's see where those toys live. Maybe the Barbies or the cars or whatever you have. Get them a place to live, not to be put there, not just to throw a cover up. The moment that we give them the opportunity to be the director and direct where the things are living, that will empower our children. Second, use the language of either the cartoons or the toys or the stories that they like. So if it's the Frozen, talk to them in the language of the Frozen. I just remember that because my daughter and the grandchildren that I have around, they look at Frozen. And the third is give them specific tasks. Now, it's important to have a small instrument, a small spray, excuse me, that fits in their hand. Something natural that doesn't have an odor or a fragrance that will derail them. Something that you can close. Easy to clean, non-toxic. When they do this, when the children have this ability, they will like to be the director and mystify the cleaning. Let me know how you go, and if you have questions, please write them, and next Tuesday I shall answer them. This is Mariana, the director of Vera Clean, and I started this solution and this endeavor in cleaning because I was looking after my husband that suffers with multiple sclerosis and has been in the wheelchair since 2004. Looking forward to hearing from you, and be clean, be Vera clean always.